Nelson would say, we're on the road again.
On the road again. I can't wait to get on the... My voice sounds so weird.
I know it. We're in the Chevy, and where are we headed?
Oh yeah, to our cousin's house.
To our cousin's house.
To our cousin's house.
If I could remember his YouTuber name, I'd tell ya.
C430 Shadow.
Okay. Not that that might mean a lot to a bunch of people, but we're gonna put it on there anyway. We're cruising right along here. I suppose we'll get back to you guys when he joins us.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye. Recording.
I lied. We're gonna do a 0 to 60 video here. Can you see the dash? The speedometer? We're gonna see how good this cold air intake and new exhaust does.
I can see that. Oh, there's the 60.
Probably not the fastest 0 to 60 ever, but good enough for me. Right? Okay, now we'll be back. There's the trouble now.
What?
This is the end. This is the end of our ride here. We picked up this. I don't know what you want to call him. What the hell? Come on. What's your language? We're making a YouTube video. You're part of it.
Oh no! No! You're getting too close. It's called a close-up.
Yeah. Jeez, Michael. Yeah, we had to pick up this turd. He's gonna cause troubles tonight. Oh well.
Feed me! Oh my god. Feed me.
Oh boy.
Give me your food. I will eat you out of house.
Well, things are getting weird, so we might end this chunk of the ride right here.